Hook. Did you know that the DIY crafts market is expected to reach over $50 billion by 2025? Crazy, right? Or maybe you found yourself standing in the craft aisle, surrounded by a million options, feeling totally overwhelmed. Yep, we've all been there. Introduction. Hey everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of arts and crafts supplies. Having the right tools and materials can make all the difference for your projects, whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro. So, stick around because I'm going to share my top recommendations that will take your crafting game to the next level. Presentation of problem/challenge. Okay, let's talk about a real struggle many of us face. You walk into a craft store or browse online, and suddenly it feels like you need a PhD just to pick out supplies. There's glue, paint, paper, and every tool imaginable, but which ones do you actually need? It's super frustrating, right? This confusion can hit hard for beginners who don't know where to start, and even for experienced crafters who might feel lost in a sea of options. Choosing the wrong supplies can lead to wasted time and effort, which is the last thing we want when we're trying to create something beautiful. So, how do we cut through the noise and find what we really need? Exploration/development. Let's break it down. First up, we have tools. Quality tools can make a huge difference. A good pair of scissors and a craft knife are essential. Plus, don't forget about cutting mats to protect your surfaces. Next, paints. Oh boy, where do we even start? Acrylic paints are super versatile, perfect for everything from canvas to wood. For paper, I recommend a nice selection of cardstock in different colors and textures. It's great for cards, scrapbooking, and all sorts of projects. Then we have adhesives. Hot glue guns are a must-have for quick fixes, and liquid glue is perfect for detailed work. Lastly, let's not forget about embellishments. Stickers, washi tape, and stamps can really bring a project to life. So, these categories are just the beginning, but they're the foundation to build on for any crafting venture. Climax/key moment. Now, drumroll please. My ultimate must-have supply is, wait for it, high-quality adhesive. I know, it sounds a bit mundane, but hear me out. Whether you're working on a scrapbook, a DIY home decor piece, or a quick fix on a project, having a reliable adhesive can save the day. I recommend a strong craft glue that dries clear, like a PVA glue, and a hot glue gun with multiple glue sticks. Trust me, these will be your best friends in any crafting situation. Conclusion/summary. Alright, let's recap. Today, we covered some crucial supplies for your next arts and crafts project, essential tools, various types of paints, quality adhesives, and delightful embellishments. Each of these supplies plays a key role in enhancing your creativity and making your crafting experience smoother and more enjoyable. Call to action, CTA. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your favorite crafting supplies, or what projects are you currently working on? Drop a comment below and let's chat. And if you're looking for more tips and inspiration, make sure to check out my other videos. Happy crafting, everyone, and I'll catch you in the next one.